Let's unbox the CNC single-form knurling tool holder from Rapid Tool Series F102. This tool is designed for use on conventional and CNC lathes, as well as automatic short-turning lathes and turning or milling centers. With the F102, you can effortlessly perform both plunge and feed knurling operations. It supports a range of knurling patterns. For plunge knurling, you can create patterns like straight, left hand, right hand, raised diamond, indented diamond, raised square, and indented square. And for feed knurling, you have options like straight, left hand, and right hand. One of the standout features is its integrated center height for precise alignment, and the carbide pin ensures durability and ease when changing knurls. The tool also comes with set screws in the shank, allowing for easy adjustment of the clearance angle. The set screws enable precise alignment of the tool, ensuring uniform knurl patterns while allowing for flexible clearance angle adjustments for various tasks. This not only enhances stability during high-speed machining, reducing chatter and vibration, but also minimizes wear on both the tool and the machine, extending their lifespan. The body is made from alloy steel with blackadizing for rust protection. It's available in various sizes, 16mm to 25mm, so you can choose the perfect fit for your machine and application. If you're in the market for a highly durable knurling tool holder, the Rapid F102 series is an excellent choice.